I came up with this DIY idea when I was actually just super hungry.
Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video...
Hey guys.
In today's video, my boyfriend Kane decided that he wanted to voice over one of my DIYs.
I kind of wanted to do it for ages.
That's what happens. Hopefully guys like it. If you guys didn't know already, this is my 4th video in my 5-part series that I'm posting on my channel this week. So if you guys haven't checked out the first video, the second video, third video, and that's all, then make sure to check the links down below. I'll have my playlist for all my back to school videos. Hopefully guys like this video. Make sure to go follow Kane on Instagram for being such a good sport. I take all these photos. They're cute. If you guys want to enter my giveaway, which was my first video, then make sure to follow me on Instagram too. Before we get into the video though, let me know in the comments. I feel like this is random now. Kane's just sitting here. Okay,
Hi guys, I'm out. I'm still here.
If you guys haven't already hit the post notifications, make sure to hit the bell so you guys don't miss out on tomorrow's video. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what other back to school videos you guys want to see. And thumbs up.
I'm back.
Let's get into the video.
I'm about to start. I'm so nervous. Oh, this is so weird. Okay, let's go. So we've got one DIY today, guys. And for this DIY, it's actually pretty simple. You're just gonna need a pencil case and some paint. And we are also hungry when we're doing this DIY, so you're gonna need a fork. And then we're gonna paint with we're not gonna eat today because you just shouldn't eat paint, and now it's on the fork, so we're actually just gonna press the paint into the pencil case. I came up with this DIY idea when I was actually just super hungry, and instead of having a paintbrush, I just had a fork nearby, so I've decided to do this. And once we've done that, what do you even say when you do a DIY? And then you're done. Look at that. Really cute pencil case. It actually took me like 3 minutes, and then afterwards you've already got a fork ready to go. And here I am just looking super cute, just dancing around in my school. So this is me thinking about food, thinking about what I'm gonna do once I'm finished this DIY.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing.
So the next DIY you're going to need some paper clips. You need a worksheet. So we've got one here, and the paper clips, you need to break them. Okay, so you just bend your paper clips because we don't need them. We have too many. We have like a packet of like 1,000 over here, and this is what you do when you're actually really bored. So when you're bored, just break your paper clips. And like, maybe we're gonna build something with these paper clips. So there we are, look at that. Really small little paper clips. And then when you're actually at school, what you can do is you can pop your paper clips. Oh yeah, see, and then you have cute paper clip hearts. I actually came up with this idea when I was thinking about my boyfriend. I was just doing some schoolwork and created a couple hearts when I was thinking about him. This is me thinking about Kane. Yeah, he's great. These paper hearts are for you. Paperclip hearts are for you, Kane.
Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing.
And then for the next DIY, all you're gonna need is a notebook and some paper to put in the notebook and some paint. Another plate. We're gonna paint some more plates again. Are we going to have a fork? I reckon we will. And that pink paint doesn't look very good. We might need some extra stuff.
Let us on tonight.
Okay, so all you're gonna need is some sticker letters, and you're gonna pop some sticker letters down, and we're writing love. Look at this. This is actually a DIY video dedicated to Kane, thinking about him, and we're just gonna dab some paint on the book. Kane actually upset me, so I'm gonna cover over the love because it's kind of over. It actually looks really cool. And yeah, we're just gonna make a bit of a mess everywhere, and then all of a sudden, it's dry instantly. It's really hot in this apartment, not a lie. And then you actually just peel off the love, and love's back in your life. Simple as that. And that actually is the coolest notebook I've ever seen. Not gonna lie, I am great at DIYs, and you glue it on and you're pretty much done. You've got the coolest notebook in school, and bam, look at that. This is me going to school looking so cool because I've got the coolest notebook, thinking about my boyfriend. This is inspired by Kane.
Do something. Let us on tonight.
Let me know in the comments how you guys think Kane did. He's definitely not here still. Like, he definitely just left. Hi, Kane.
Hey.
Let me know in the comments how you guys think Kane did. Oh my gosh, she just did. Let me know in the comments how you guys think Kane did, and if you guys haven't followed him on Instagram yet, do it.
No one's gonna comment that I should do this again.
Let me know if you guys want to see Kane do a video like this again. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications if you guys haven't already, so you guys don't miss out on new videos tomorrow. I'll link my playlist down below so you guys can check out all my back to school videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.